Hello everybody, welcome back to Road Reg. On today's video, we are going to be testing Halfords High Performance Snow Foam. Now the reason why I picked up this snow foam is because I was using Autoglym's Ultra HD shampoo, but that ran out. So I was in the Halfords looking to replace it, and they don't have any. And I saw this and I thought, hey, £11, just under £11, I think it was £10.95 at the time of purchase, and I thought, why don't I share my first impressions with you guys as well. Now, I must stress, the car isn't that dirty. I'm just in the process of pre-washing it now. This isn't going to be a test of cleaning power because I'm going to try and take most of the dirt off before we get to the shampoo stage, because that's the way it should be done. Try and get as much off before you go to the contact stage to minimise scratches. Rather than this being a test of how much dirt this removes, it's going to be a test of what's it like to use. What are the suds like? Does it smell nice? Is it slick? Is it nice to use? Because fundamentally for me, that's what a shampoo is all about. You know, for £10.95, you can't really go wrong. What have we got here? So, Halfords Advanced High Performance Shampoo, concentrated, high foam formula, deep cleaning performance, wax and sealant safe. pH neutral as well, that's great. How much do we get as well? 500ml. In fact, for comparison's sake, let's have a look at the UHD shampoo. I think I said Ultra HD, but I meant UHD shampoo. Here it is. I absolutely adore this stuff. I've had a few bottles of this. It is 1 litre, you know? So it is, you're getting double the amount. So price per milliliter, I don't think there's much in it, to be honest with you. But to confirm that, when I'm editing this video, I'll let you know in the video what the difference is. But yeah, this was a great shampoo, but they didn't have any in Halfords, hence why I picked up that. But if it can be as good as this, and for a fraction of the cost, okay, yeah, you're getting half the amount. If you're not using your vehicle that much, or you're not washing it that much, it might work out a better deal. So when it comes to price, there is a clear difference. The Halfords Advanced Shampoo is normally £10 for 500 millilitres, but right now it's on sale for £8. Meanwhile, the Autoglym shampoo comes in at £19.49 for a full litre. So when you break it down, Halfords at full price costs 2p per mil, but on sale that drops to 1.6p per mil. The Autoglym works out at £1.95 per mil. So when the Halfords shampoo is on offer, it's actually the best value per millilitre, but at full price they are pretty close. So based on that information, if you can find the Halfords Advanced shampoo on sale for £8, go ahead and buy it, because that is an absolute bargain. But obviously stick around to the end of the video, because you want to see if this shampoo's any good, right? If you just need to grab a shampoo quickly, there's always a Halfords local. It's a great place to get detailing products when you're in a bit of a rush and you've run out of something. Oh crap, I need to get some shampoo or snow foam. You can rely that Halfords is going to have something that you can use. No, they haven't called me yet. I'm just seeing if Halfords are going to call me and offer me a sponsorship, but no. Can the Halfords Advanced shampoo cut the mustard, everybody? Without further ado, I think we should crack on with getting this car pre-washed, and then we'll pop this in the bucket, fill it up, see what it's like. Let's go. Right, I've got my bucket, as you can see there. Now look, I am using one bucket, but the car isn't that dirty, to be honest with you, in the first place, so don't judge me on that, or judge me on that. It's fine, it's okay. We're using one bucket for this. If the car was absolutely filthy, like really, 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 really dirty, I would probably use 2, but the car wasn't that filthy in the first place, so it will be absolutely fine. So let's get the shampoo in the bucket. It says highly concentrated, so we're not going to use much. We're just going to use a little splash. So here we go. There we are, just a little splash in there. Let's have a little sniff, actually, to see what it smells like. Oh, that smells great. It smells very menthol, a bit minty. I like that. Let's smell the UHD. Okay, that's sweet. I like both of them, to be honest with you. Okay, so whilst that settles down, I'm going to get the snow foam off the car, get this ready to be shampooed, and then we'll go back to that bucket, get the suds going again, and see what this shampoo is like to use. Let's do this. Must get my wash mitt first, because that's important. There we go, look, fresh and clean. Gion mitts, highly recommend. I've had this for a long time and it's going very strong indeed. Let's get back to the shampoo, get the suds going again. Looking good so far, nice bubbles in there. We'll start over here, give the wash mitt a little dunk, soak it. I have to say, so far, good impressions. Didn't put much in the bucket, remember, so I'll have to experiment with that. But given the fact that we didn't put much in, this is very nice to use. Very slick, just glides over the paintwork. And look at that, beautiful suds. If I'm honest with you, I think the UHD shampoo is slightly slicker than this. Just slightly, there's not much in it. But this ain't half bad. I have to top the bucket up a little bit, but that's no bother. We'll do that when we do the other side of the car. But hey, what do I think about using one bucket? The car isn't that dirty. I mean, it all depends on how anal you are about your car. I'm pretty anal about this, but I've got to the point where I've had it a long time now. And it's going to have picked up some micro scratches, so I'm not too fussed. I mean, I am fussed, but you know, it's white, so it doesn't show up scratches so bad. I guess if this was a brand spanking new car and you just spent 30 grand on it or whatever, I wouldn't blame you if you used 2 buckets. It's entirely up to you, you know? I ain't gonna judge you one way or the other. But for the purposes of this challenge, I say challenge, more of a test, I don't think it matters. But let me know in the comments below if you guys like to use 1 or 2 buckets. I'll be interested to hear your opinion. I know it's a fairly controversial topic. Everyone has quite a strong opinion on that. But hey, what's life without a bit of controversy? Right, we're getting to the bottom of the bucket now, so let's do this tailgate again. That's very nice to use. It's not as slick. It is not as slick as this, in my opinion. Right, I think it's time to rinse the car. As you can see, look at that, still going strong. We've got a little bit left in the bucket there in case we've missed anything. Here we go. There you go. There you go, there's a top tip for you. Never empty your wash bucket until you've checked the car over for any remaining little dirt spots there as well. Oh, actually, you know what? It was more dirty than I thought. I thought it wasn't that bad. Alright, there we go guys, Halfords Advanced High Performance Shampoo. Do I rate it or hate it? Well, I've got to be honest with you, I rate it. This is good stuff. I mean, as you can see there, we had endless suds and we barely put anything in the bucket. So I know I mentioned that the UHD has a little bit more slickness. I think if you wanted to get that same slickness, you could just add a little bit more. I don't think you'd notice that unless you A/B'd them directly. This is really good shampoo. I'm going to be using this until I have nothing left, obviously. I paid for this with my own money as well, so if any of you think I'm sponsored by Halfords, I'm not, but Halfords, if you're watching, please sponsor me. That would be absolutely fantastic. That wasn't a joke. But hey, just a quick video, really, guys, just to show you what this high performance shampoo is. And actually this is the first time I've used it, so it was, you know, live basically, because I've never used it before. But hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what shampoo you're using in the comments below, and if you're feeling friendly, leave us a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Road Reg. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.